Instagram has added a new feature called profile cards, making it easier for creators to share their profiles. Want to learn how to make your own? I'm Jessica. And in this video, I'll show you how to create and customize your own profile card on Instagram. Now, let's get started to create your profile card on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile, then tap Share Profile. Your profile card will then be opened. One side will show your profile information, and the other will have a QR code for your profile. URL swipe sideways across your screen to flip between the two views to customize your Instagram profile card. Tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. This will open a menu with a few different options. You can choose Edit Profile if you want to make changes to your profile info like your bio pronouns or links. If you'd like to change the design of your profile card, you can tap Change Color to choose a new background color for the QR code page and add matching background colors around your profile details on the other side of the card. Get even more personalized by adding a custom background to the QR code page. Tap Change Background in the Edit menu to import a background image from your device. When you're finished customizing your profile card, you can download an image of the QR code to your device or save a profile card video showing both sides of your profile card. You can also add it to your story where both sides will be shown along with a link to view your profile or share your profile card through messaging or social media apps like WhatsApp threads, Messenger, Snapchat, and more. That's all it takes to create and customize your Instagram profile card. To learn about more new and useful Instagram features, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.